Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Over here you need to click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. In my case it's only Facebook. Then select Install in this pop-up. You can also click on this switcher next to Use Separate Contact List if you wish to enable or disable this feature. When I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, you can always go back into the same settings, click on the same switcher over here and select Uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!